Morning, everyone. It's about 8:40 on Monday, the 24th, and this is video number 780, pre-opening comment. Asia is up a little. Europe's up just a smidge, kind of mixed for the day. I guess we're going to have to call this a reversal, another reversal, and another test of the lows in Bitcoin. They took it down below 32,000 last night, and right now it's above 38,000. I'm seeing this as kind of the risk on or risk off signal. When this stuff starts to look a little stronger, I think that the attitude in general is a little bit more bullish, and we see that in the futures this morning. The Dow futures are up about 135. The Nasdaq futures are also up triple digits, and the S&P has been hanging right around the up 20 or 22. We again had some big movie reopenings. F9 in 8 countries, 162 million. There have been months that haven't had 162 million in revenues at these theaters. Excuse me. Virgin Galactic's successful test on Saturday. The stock was up to about 21 and change, up from 14 and change the last 2 days of last week. This morning trading a shade over 25, up about $4. A little biopharma, NGM Biopharma. They had a miss on a phase 2 trial for NASH, which is the non-alcoholic version of liver problems, and they missed the endpoint evidently by a mile. It was so bad that, in fact, there's not going to be a phase 3 trial. The stock is currently trading at about 1530, down 1308 or 46%. Other news: Beyond Meats, 111 up 441 or 4% on a UK deal with Tesco to start to distribute their product. Dollar General, 202.18 down 286. It was a downgrade to underperform by BAC, Bank of America. Cabot Oil and Gas and Cimarex in a stock deal, and neither of them are doing anything this morning. Both basically unchanged to up or down, 10 or 15 cents. So I'm not sure how that deal is going to shake out. And we have big earnings later on this week. NVIDIA and CRM coming up, and I'll remind everyone of that. So here's what the Bitcoin futures did. They had a low of 33,720 and a high of 38,535. And right now we're up 2,200, almost 2,300 at 38,300 and change. We came down here and tested again. And I mentioned this area last night when we were down as the area that it would have to hold, and lo and behold, it did. Gold is up a little, up $9 now. Silver up 39 cents. Coffee is down a little. I wrote this up last night. And of course, we have no open yet, but I can't wait to see what this lumber does. The dollar is down about 12.5 cents, and we're up pretty close in the bonds, close to a half a point. I'll show you what that looks like because I'm still very negative on it, and it looks like it's going to try this 158 area, and if it does that, I'll be impressed. The moving averages have turned up. The 5-day went through, it looks like, went through the 50-day, coming up on the 20-day, and of course, the big ones, the 100 and the 200-day, are much higher. So it looks like we're trying to put in a little base. Here's a low, here's a higher low, a little bit of a breakout after the consolidation. This was the last month's employment numbers and came down to a lower low than here, but a higher low than we've seen. So, and this was a test again, closed right there and turned right back up. That was Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday of last week. So that's about where we are. As I said, Dow up 135, S&P now up 23, and the NASDAQ holding at up about 110. Have a good morning, everyone.